Hi, my name is Joe Stock, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Dashboard Notes and Reminders extension for Opencart. Notes and Reminders is a dashboard extension designed specifically for Opencart administrators. It allows store administrators to keep track of things like to-do lists, notes, reminders, assignments, or anything else that they want to keep on their radar. All of the notes are stored in your Opencart database, so they are always accessible from any computer. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate how to add a new note. Simply click the Add New Note button here, and the new note screen will appear. Give your note a title, and then down here in the content editor, add the content of your note. This is the same editor that's available in all of the other areas of Opencart, and it has all of the same features. For instance, if I wanted to add an image in front of this text, I'll click in front, click the image button, and I'll select this image here just for our purposes, and then I'll resize it, and I'll put a space in there, and then I want to increase the size of the text, so I'll go to the magic wand and I'll click H2, and then I want to change the color of the text, so over here I'll change it to this dark blue, and as you can see, those changes are reflected in the editor. Once I'm happy with that, I can set a status. There are several statuses that come with the extension, and you can create your own statuses, and you can also edit or remove the existing statuses. This one here is one that I created in a different video, and that's a custom status just to show that you can actually do that. For now, I'll assign it to me, and I'll put a sort order of 1, so that this note will appear at the top of my list. I'll click on Create Note, and my new note now appears in the extension. This message here can be closed to get it out of the way. To create new statuses, all you have to do is click the Settings button, and the Modify Statuses screen will appear. As you can see, here's the one that I had already added. I'll delete that one, and then once that's deleted, I'll go in and I'll create a new status, and I'll say assign to Letitia, and I'll put that up at the top or near the top in the order. I'll save that. Now then, when I go into my note and edit it, I can assign it to Letitia, save that change, and now it's assigned to her. So that's how you create new statuses and edit existing statuses. The same buttons work for the note itself. I can go in and edit an existing note simply by clicking this button. All of the content is there, and I can change it however I like. To get rid of it, I simply click the trash, and it'll give me a warning to make sure that this is what I want to do. In this case I do, so I'll proceed, and now I've got no notes showing. I'll add one more. Very quickly. And that way I can show you how to hide or show notes and reminders. If I click this button here, it'll fold them up and get them out of my way, and even if I log out or go to some other area, for instance if I go to orders and do things here and then come back to the dashboard, since I had it folded already, it'll stay that way. And if I leave it expanded, even if I log out, go to some other website, come back and log back in, it'll remember that it was open the last time I left, and it'll show that way when I come back. These can be repositioned, So if I want to show notes and reminders at the bottom instead of at the top, all I have to do is go into Extensions, choose the extension type of Dashboard, and this list shows all of the extensions that currently are assigned to the dashboard. So there's all the recent activity, etc. This number here is the number of columns wide that you want your extension to appear. This is whether or not the extension is enabled, and this is the order in which they appear. So right now our highest number is 8. I'll change notes and reminders to be at 9, and that way it'll appear at the bottom. So I'll just change that, save, and now when I go back out to the dashboard, instead of having them appear at the top, they're down here at the bottom. So I can reorganize that and all of the other extensions to appear any way that I want. So what I'll do is I'll go back in, Extensions, choose the extension type of Dashboard, Notes and Reminders, and I'll just place it back at the top, hit save, and next time I hit the dashboard button, now I'm back at the top. So that's how to move extensions around on your dashboard, and that's how to hide and show notes and reminders and how to use it. Thank you.